Hey there, we're going to talk about how to make your dreams come true. So, do you dream a lot or a little? Now, I'm not talking about the dreams that you get when you sleep. What I'm referring to is the things in your life that you want to achieve. So, do you have a plan for them? Have you started working towards them? Do you think and visualize the details of your dream? For example, if you want to make $1 million a year, what is it that you can contribute to make it happen? Do you have the requisite skills? If you don't, do you plan to get yourself trained in those skills that you are lacking? Do you believe in the law of attraction? Well, I do. But without the effort part of it, you're bound to receive what you have been getting till now. Without raising your level, you won't get much of traction. Law of attraction is not just ask, believe, and receive, it's ask, believe, work, and receive. Now, the word dream is an acronym. Here's the breakup for that. D stands for decide. Once you have sorted through those thoughts that seem to run in your head always, you have to arrive at a conclusion. Ask yourself, what is it that makes you perk up? Or what is it that you can do without much effort? I mean, what is it that comes to you naturally? Well, you're cut out to be that. Maybe a doctor or a journalist or whatever. Now, once you have decided that this is what you're going to be, then don't turn back. Go for it on full steam. Some people may actually try to give you an advice that they think is apt. Do not listen to naysayers. This is about you, and you're the only person who can decide what you will be in the future. So listen to your heart's voice and go right after it. Listen to those whispers. That whispers that come from the universe. That's your calling. And once you know what's your calling, go right after it. Now, the R of the dream stands for respond. Responding is different from reacting. Reacting is knee jerk, whereas responding is thinking and then responding to the situation. So, respond to situations in a way that makes you feel happy. We all have good and bad days, but it is for us to decide whether the so called bad days were really bad or just lessons towards making us better. Do not let bad days deter you. Remember, whatever may be the situation, the response is for us to choose. And this ability is correctly termed as responsibility. The ability for you to respond in an appropriate manner. Response plus ability is responsibility. So do not go against your values. Never. Do not criticize. Choose a positive response, always, however negative the ambience may be. Say if somebody makes you angry, it's not about the other person. It's what is brewing inside of you. The only person who can change this feeling is you. See, if somebody makes you angry, it's not the other person who's angry or who's doing something. It's within you. The anger is arising within you. Everything that has happened is within you. Remember that. Now we come to the E of dream. E means enthuse. Without energy, nothing is possible. You must raise yourself up to the stage that you want to get to. Say you are at level A and you want to get to level B. So what does it take to get up there? The answer in one word, your energy level. You have to raise your vibrations to get there. Like what Tony Robbins says, every day you have to raise your standard. So raise up your elevation levels. Come from joy, peace, happiness. Come from that angle. Be positive, and your energy levels are raised up. Now, some people complain that the law of attraction does not work. It will, if you change your energy levels. If there is no change, the universe responds to you as it always has been, which means the same way as before. Now, be passionate about your goals. A person who does not have passion for what he or she is after is already a dead person. Ask yourself, do I want to be dead or alive? Bubbling with energy. Be alive. Don't die before you die. So when you are alive, raise your vibration levels and bubble with energy. Now we come to the A of dream. A means act. Now none of the 3 steps which we have discussed above is going to be of use if you do not act upon the opportunities that come your way. You see, God keeps sending us those opportunities disguised as work. You have to grab them and sweat it out. There is no other way out. If Lord Krishna were alive today, his message to mankind would be, go, do your job. And there is no escaping this. You have to put in your work. Otherwise, results won't come. You can't take it easy. You have to be focused and get on with your work. So work is worship. All the results of your actions are based on how you have worked on a particular opportunity that God has sent. However, don't go overboard. The results are not in your hands. It never was. Work with an attitude where you do work for work's sake. That is it. Get excited about it. Do the work for work's sake. The results will automatically come. Action without intensity or involvement is going to be a dull action. So put all your heart into what you do. Compel yourself to do something, but put your heart into it. Put your everything, all your energy into it. And do it to the best of your ability. Now we come to the M of the dream. M means mastermind. This simply means that you have to network. No point in having all these skills and capabilities if the world doesn't know that such a person exists, right? Your relationship, when you network, should be a two-way communication. Not only are you interested in showcasing yourself, but you should be interested in the other people genuinely. Whoever you want to wish to network with, you have to understand where they are coming from and what is their attitude, what is their actions, what do they expect, besides showcasing your own ability. So marketing is first about listening more than talking. Now, this helps you, networking helps you because you can pass on the opportunities that came your way to others if you find that you cannot fulfill it. This also helps you in building a trust relationship with several people. Some within your bandwidth, that's your interests, and some outside. Maybe you'll go on to become best friends with some of these people. You never know. So do not ignore these facts. Networking is the final step which will land you into opportunities. So network a lot, make friends. Maybe you'll keep some friends and they'll be best friends after some time. So network a lot. It matters a lot. So know the other person also, besides telling them about yourself. If you follow the 5 steps of DREAM, DREAM, I do not see any reason why you will not be able to reach where you want to be. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead with all you got, and with God's blessings, you'll definitely make it. So cheers to your dreams. Thank you, and may God bless you. So subscribe to this channel for more on inspiration. Thank you.